Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds QCY Buds ANC using your phone. And all you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And then at the bottom of the charging case we have also USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. And on the front side we see this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. And this is the only way to use your phone, because this earbuds doesn't support reverse wireless charging, so only with a cable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!